Are you looking for the best 360 cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best 360 cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Maximum Megapixels, 16.6 MP Max Video Resolution, 5.6K/30 FPS Waterproof, 5M Battery Life, 108 minutes, 1440p, 78 minutes, 5.6K, Dimensions, 12.76 x 6.5 x 6.38 inches. Weight, 1.12 pounds. GoPro is a pioneer of action cameras, and their 360 degrees camera, the GoPro Max, is our favorite camera from the brand. Its ruggedness, high-resolution 16.6 MP images, ability to shoot in multiple resolutions, and stunning 5.6K video and slow-motion capabilities make it a perfect choice for recording adventures. If you want more than just shooting video, this is one camera that's hard to beat. It has other impressive features, including voice control and hypersmooth stabilization that allows you to capture stable videos in any conditions, even if it's dark or windy. The camera is also capable of capturing amazing 270-degree panoramic photos with a selection of 4 digital lenses and live stream directly from the device, while the 6-mic array offers you the audio quality your videos deserve. The GoPro Max is one of the best models in its class, with high-end waterproofing and a number of built-in features that make it a serious contender in the 360-degree space. This 360 camera is worth its price. 3 cameras in one, maximize your creative freedom. With Max you can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Vlog to the max with shotgun mic performance and Max Hypersmooth. Max gives you unbreakable stabilization by using 180-degree capture as the ultimate buffer. Live streaming in 1080p, shoot in hero mode and share while you're there. Live stream in 1080p on social. Get Max Hypersmooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage too. Horizon leveling. In hero mode, game-changing horizon leveling gives you that silky-smooth cinematic look whether you're getting sideways, flipping through the air or chasing your kid's power pano without the pan. Take incredible 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon. Take power pano selfies, action shots and vertical pics, all with a Number 2. Samsung Gear 360 Megapixels, 8.4 MP Max Video Resolution, 4K/24 FPS Waterproof, IP53 Battery Life, 90 minutes, 4K, Dimensions, 1.78 x 1.81 x 3.96 inches. Weight, 4.6 ounces. If you are on a budget, look no further than Samsung Gear 360. This pocket-sized waterproof device captures high-quality videos in 4K resolution and 15 MP images thanks to the dual 180 degrees lenses for a fantastic 360 degrees picture. Since it is a Samsung camera, it offers seamless integration with other devices and apps, allowing you to preview and edit your videos on the app and in Samsung VR. Tell the whole story with the 360 degrees camera that captures every angle in 4K brilliance and share instantly. Capture life as it happens in stunning 4K video and 15 MP photos thanks to dual 180 degrees lenses. Gear 360 is easy to hold and take with you, and has an IP53 water-resistant rating. Preview and edit your videos with an easy-to-use app, or share them straight to social or Samsung VR with your Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. Upload your photos or videos to Samsung VR to experience your moments in virtual reality. Number 3. Insta360 ONE X2 Megapixels, 18 MP Max Video Resolution, 5.7K Waterproof, 10M Battery Life, 80 minutes. Dimensions, 4.45 x 1.82 x 1.17 inches. Weight, 4.9 ounces. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a compact yet powerful 360 camera that improves on its predecessor by capitalizing on what made the One X so great. It shoots up to 5.7K in 360-degree video with dual f/1.6 sensors and features an IPX8 rating for waterproofing. The One X2 also comes with a larger battery, expanded shooting modes, and more, making it even easier to create immersive 360 experiences. Its small form factor makes it easy to throw in your pocket or bag without worrying about getting lost. The large lens lets you get clear footage even when shooting indoors or outdoors in low light settings. It's also one of the most popular models, thanks to its ability to live stream straight from your smartphone. Additionally, it comes with Insta360's flow state image stabilization algorithm that will ensure that your videos are always smooth, and a Formic system that keeps noise at a minimum. The One X2 offers great levels of creative control with a robust set of features, like innovative horizon leveling and automatic stabilization. It includes powerful creative tools such as timeshift for ultra slow-mo and hyperlapse videos, PureShot for enhanced dynamic range in low light, and AI editing with pre-designed templates to create awesome content. The Pocket Camera Crew, with just one device, shoot first in every direction with super 5.7K 360 capture and then choose your favorite angle later. Or pick just one lens with Steadicam Mode 4. Flow state stabilization, better than ever stabilization and horizon leveling algorithms keep your shots steady, no gimbal needed. Invisible selfie stick, shoot with the invisible selfie stick and then watch it disappear in your edit. Capture easy drone-like angles and third-person perspectives with the flick of a wrist. IPX8 waterproof, Insta360 ONE X2 is waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet. Take it out in a rainstorm or surfing without a case. In the box, 1X Insta360 ONE X2, 1X charge cable, 1X battery, 1X protective pouch and 1X user guide. Number 4. Insta360 One RS. Megapixels, 48 MP max video resolution, 6K waterproof, 16 feet battery life, 70 minutes, 5.7K, dimensions, 2.76 x 1.93 x 1.69 inches weight, 4.5 ounces. While most 360 cameras are versatile in some way or the other, the Insta360 One RS takes it to the next level with its modular design, which makes it easy to upgrade and adapt to different scenarios. The lens can be switched to suit your situation with a 1-inch sensor and a dual-lens module capable of capturing 360-degree footage in 5.7K at 30 fps. It is a massive upgrade over its predecessor. The Insta360 One R offers power inside and out, from the 1/248 MP image sensor paired with flow state stabilization that gives you smooth videos to shoot, even in low-light scenarios. With active HDR and 6K widescreen modes, you'll look like a pro while shooting your next adventure. It's fully rugged, too, with a brand new design that looks great on the outside and tough enough to take anywhere you go. It can be used as a handheld device or mounted to your helmet or tripod, making this one of the most convenient options on our list. Not to forget the long-lasting battery life and the Insta360 app, packed with RE editing features to make editing easy. 4K 60 fps and AMP, 48 MP photos. Totally rugged and durable action come with a brand new 48 MP image sensor. Shoot incredibly detailed videos and photos with the 4K boost lens. Flow state stabilization, get buttery smooth shots, no matter the action. With the new RS core, flow state stabilization is now built into the camera. No editing needed. Active HDR and AMP, 6K widescreen. Take your shots to the next level with innovative modes like Active HDR and 6K widescreen mode. Interchangeable lens design, the only action cam with interchangeable lenses. Upgrade your camera at any time by purchasing an additional lens, like the Ultra Creative 360 lens. In the box, 1X 4K boost lens, 1X One RS core, 1X One RS battery base and 1X One RS mounting bracket. Number 5. Insta360 Pro II. Megapixels, 60 MP max video resolution, 8K/30 fps waterproof, no battery life, 75 minutes dimensions, 18.5 x 9 x 17.5 inches weight, 17.8 pounds. The Insta360 Pro II is the best 360 camera for professionals. It's also the only 360 camera with an internal live streaming function, so you can live stream 4K video while recording in 8K. The Pro II uses 9-axis image stabilization to stabilize your footage regardless of movement or direction. This feature makes it possible to capture smooth footage without external stabilization equipment. The Insta360 Pro II also comes with 6 200° fisheye lenses, which gives users more control over their shots than other models on the market today. The wide angle captures more area around but without sacrificing image quality. There are 4 built-in mics, one 3.5mm external mic input, and 2 USB ports on offer, 2 that allow you to connect your smartphone or tablet while recording videos or simply taking pictures during a session. The camera comes with some handy features like a built-in stabilizer, a hot swappable 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, 30 fps live preview via Wi-Fi, and support for up to 6 microSD and 1 SD card. The Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring your images and videos easily directly from your camera and smart devices onto live streaming and broadcasting platforms. While the Pro II has many best-in-class features, our favorite is the Farsight 360° long-range monitoring system. It allows you to live stream and broadcast in 8K at 30 fps or 4K at 30 fps in VR. The Pro II also has a super long range of up to 300 m ground-to-ground and 1 km ground-to-air with remote controls via your phone or computer to control your stream in real time from a distance. Number 6. Rylo 360 megapixels, 18MP max video resolution, 5.8K/24 fps waterproof, no battery life, 60 minutes dimensions, 9.84 x 7.87 x 2.76 inches weight, 1.01 pounds. Rylo 360 is the most compact 360 camera on the market, and it's not just for those who like to travel light. This camera can be mounted on any standard tripod or selfie stick, so you don't have to worry about carrying around a heavy device if you're heading out for a day trip. While it is small enough to fit in your pocket, it also has amazing video quality at 5.8K resolution and a super long battery life to go with it. The thing we love most about the Rylo 360 is that it gives you complete control over your video's perspective by selecting the points of interest to create fluid footage that follows the objects you have selected. All in all, the Rylo 360